Alright guys, today I want to come on here and do a quick unboxing review on my new 65 watt power bank. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go take a look at it. I always like to have my phone charged. These come in handy. Alright, there it is. It's got a nice display right there. Type-C's and a USB port. And then the button to turn it on right here. Gives you the battery percent. So this Type-C right here is a 65 watt out, as well as where you'll charge it. This one is a 22.5 watt USB charger. And then this last Type-C port is a 36 watt charger. So let's go ahead and actually try this 65 watt option here for my iPad. All right, so we'll go ahead and actually plug it in. All right, there we go, got it charged up. We'll go ahead and actually plug in my watch to the USB port. There it goes. All right, and then lastly, we'll charge my iPhone as well. All right, then we're going to plug in the phone to it. All right, and there it goes. As you can see, you can charge up to 3 devices on here. 2 Type-C's, 1 USB, and then 165 watt, which can actually even charge up a laptop if needed. So you can see it's not super bulky, especially if you're considering that this can actually charge up a laptop and get 3 devices charging at the same time. They do also include a Type-C charger for it, as well as a user manual for it as well. And what's cool is this will charge your iPhone up to 4 times on that single full charge, and it'll charge your MacBook or any device that uses a Type-C up to about a time and a half. So like I said, very often that it can charge some of your larger laptop devices, which I thought was neat. These come in handy if you guys are doing anything outdoors like camping, or you guys are going to a conference or an amusement park. It's just nice to have your phone charged at all times, or your tablet for your kids or going on those long road trips. This comes in handy. So if you guys find this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. Definitely helps with the channel. But if you guys are looking for a new power bank, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link in the description so y'all can get yours.